Dear students, now we move towards the one more scientific concept, biomagnification. See here, before coming to the actual definition, I will give you one simple incident. Okay, so what happens? A farmer is going to spray the chemicals in a farm field. Assume ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ತನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಗಿಡ ಹಾಕಿದಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹಾಕಿದಾನೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ರೈನ್. ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಜೋರಾಗಿ, ಔಷಧಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ, ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ಆ ಔಷಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಒಂದು ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಹೊಲದ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಷಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. Getting this? The water get contaminated with the chemicals. That a small canal water get enter into a pond, a big pond later on. ಆ ಕೊಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ವಾಟರ್. Even the pond water is also contaminated with the chemicals. See, the small fishes are there in the pond. Those small fishes are going to consume the water, no? They drink the water. As a result, the chemicals get enter into the body of the small fish. The big fishes are going to consume the small fishes. Isn't it, children? That big fish is eaten up by the crane. ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಆ ಬಿಗ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪಕ್ಷಿನ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ತಿಂದ ಕೊನೆಗೆ. Getting this, children? So what happens here? The concentration of the chemicals ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇಂದ ಬಿಗ್ ಫಿಶ್, ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಿಶ್, ಆ ಬಿಗ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ರೇನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು, ಕೆರೆನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು, ಆ ಪಕ್ಷಿನ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ತಿಂದ. ಆಸ್ ಎ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ದ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ moves on from one trophic level to another trophic level, isn't it? So what about the concentration of the chemicals then? Where do you find the more concentration of the chemicals? Of course, in the human being, we are going to find more concentration of the chemicals. Why? Because human being is going to consume the pond in the water, the small fishes, the big fishes, even the birds also is going to consume. As a result, what happens? The concentration of the chemicals goes on increasing from one trophic level to another trophic level. Okay. See, the big fish are going to consume the small fish. The concentration of the chemical enters into the body of the big fish. Since the big fishes are going to consume several small fishes, as a result, what happens? The big fish having more concentration of the chemicals. The birds are going to consume the big fish and even the small fishes. As a result, what happens? The concentration of the chemicals goes on increasing in the body of the big birds also. Since the human being is going to consume all these organisms, obviously the chemical concentration will be more in the human body. Let us come to the definition of biomagnification. See, biomagnification is nothing but the concentration of non-biodegradable chemicals goes on increasing from one trophic level to another trophic level in a food chain is called biomagnification.